can do it right from your phone. This is all done from your phone. Okay, let's get into it. So, first off, I work from home. I love what I do. That's going to be another video, which I promise I'll do. I keep saying that I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it. So, I do YouTube also, but it's not my number one thing. I mean, I do record when I can. I really do have to take this serious, you know? Like, I did start a page. I need to, especially after making this video. Hello. Okay, so as far as setting up your channel, you are going to need a Gmail account. I can guarantee you guys have Gmail accounts already. So as long as you have a Gmail account, you can set up a YouTube account. So you go over to YouTube and you do create channel, I think it is, and follow the guidelines from there, and then do your Google AdSense. So this way, at least it's ready, it's set up, and when that time comes, you're ready to be paid. These are some of the props or items or apps you will need to start your YouTube from the very beginning. First off, a camera. No, you don't have to go out and get an expensive Sony camera or any of these things that the YouTubers are talking about. You can start off with your phone. That's what I use. I don't plan on getting a camera just for vlog. Well, you know what? Let me not say that. Later on, who knows? But right now, I feel like as long as you have anything from an iPhone 6 and up, you're good to go. Lighting wise, I'm in my office. I work from home anyway, so I'm always in my office. But I have pretty good lighting. I'm literally using just the window light right now. If it's nighttime, depending on, you know, the situation, I guess the setting, I'll turn on my regular light, have a lamp even on me. You can improvise with lighting. Whatever fits your face. So, also with your phone, using your phone, if you have an iPhone, I'm sorry for the ones that have Android. I don't really know about apps for Android. But if you have an iPhone, it automatically comes with iMovie, the little purple icon with a star in it, which is where you'll be doing your editing. And we can talk about that later. Or I could even make a separate video on how I edit my videos on iMovie. So write these apps down. Okay, these are the apps you're going to need. Fonto. Fonto is a good app to use when you are doing your thumbnail. Okay, because that's another thing. You're going to be doing thumbnails for your videos. So get the app Fonto. These apps are free, by the way. You need Fonto, P-H-O-N-T-O. You'll see it. I think it's a red icon. You're going to need Vont, V-O-N-T. That's another free app. And that one also helps you with your pictures that you're going to use for your thumbnail. Or even, I think Vont also lets you put, like, you know how people do those, here's a picture, you know, they put a picture here. I think Vont also helps you do that. I'm not sure, I forgot. PixArt is another one. I don't really use PixArt, but it does come in handy when you want to look up certain themes for a picture. I like PixArt for that. Erase. Erase is another one, literally like eraser. That one helps if you take a picture for your thumbnail and you want to erase the background and just have your face there. Erase is really good. I think that's pretty much it. That's what I use as far as doing my thumbnail. So those are all free apps, like I said, on the Apple Store, or I don't know what it would be for the Android. I'm sorry, guys. They might be available on there. I'm not sure. I know iMovie's not, but the other apps might be available. If not, I'm sure if you type those words in your Google Play Store, I'm sure something similar would come up, which is probably free. So once you have your channel, you're going to have to create a banner, which is going to have your name or whatever it is that you do, which I actually have to change mine because I have nails and all this stuff on there, but I want to change it to, like, I do all things. I'm going to probably do that a little later. So create your banner for your channel, which you can use all the apps that I just mentioned. You can use those also. You will have to go to Google and then type in YouTube banner templates, and then it'll show you the size that you're going to need, which you'll it's probably the first picture on there, I think, and then you follow the TV size and you go from there. Put that into Fonto, and there's also videos on YouTube on this, so you can figure this out, and you can do it right from your phone. This is all done from your phone. You don't even need a computer or a laptop. I have mine in front of me, so I pointed that way. You don't need a computer. You don't need a laptop. You don't need anything to start a YouTube channel, to create it, to do everything from your phone. Again, there is all kinds of videos right here on YouTube to run through all of this. You have to figure out what your niche or niche is going to be. When you're doing your YouTube channel, you don't want it to be all over the place. I know I'm being a hypocrite right now because my channel has a little bit of everything, but I'm still small. Once I get to that desired subscriber amount that I feel like I'm settled, that I'm going to be consistent with my videos, then I'll pick a niche and I'll stick with it. But right now I dab in a little bit of everything. I have nail videos up. I have a video of my sister making guacamole. I have how to make money at home, for other people that are looking to work from home. I have so many different videos out there, and I'm going to continue putting up little, because you never know what the audience is looking for. So some videos do more than others. I have some videos that are only 100 views, and I have videos that are 2,000 views, So, and it's only going to keep growing. So, and we're going to do this together, guys. We're going to do this together. So, yes, definitely pick your niche of what you want your video to be about. If you want it just to be solely on you doing a fitness channel, or you're just going to do a cooking channel or a DIY channel, put that in your banner. So this way, when people find you, they can read your banner and go, oh, okay, she does a little bit of what I'm looking for. And they subscribe, they watch your videos, you get your viewed hours, you get what you need. So banner comes next. From there, I always say write down at least 10 to 20 different video ideas that come to your mind to get you going. So a lot of times at night I'm laying down and I'm like, oh, you know what? I should do a video on such and such. And then I'll go into my phone, because we need our phone. I go into my phone, into the notes, and I have a whole section of YouTube video ideas. So, which is going to help me be consistent, because I'm not really consistent on YouTube, but I want to, since I do work from home, I do have the freedom to do it. So I'll lay down at night and I'll think to myself, oh, I should do a video on such and such. And I'll go and I'll write it down in my phone, just of ideas, just to keep going, because you don't want to have a channel and then just let it sit there, which I do a lot. Keep consistent with the amount of videos you want to make and titles. I don't know, even if it takes you to go onto YouTube and see what videos are getting the most views and you want to feed off of that, then do so. So be consistent. Try to be consistent with your videos. Another thing that helps out too with being consistent is try to post around the same, or upload a video around the same time. So let's say, I don't know, it doesn't matter the day, I guess, around the same time. But let's just say on Fridays you decide, oh, you know what, every Friday I'm going to put up a video around 7 o'clock. You don't even have to announce that to your audience that's watching, but they will see it. Your followers will go, oh, usually around this time Tiana posts that, whatever, a new video. I don't specifically do that because, again, I'm not consistent. And once I do become consistent and I find my niche, then I will announce, hey guys, look out for my videos on this day, whatever it is. So, but I'm just telling you, as a beginner, YouTube, I started off wrong. I did this whole thing wrong, and I'm just trying to help you now with having your new channel. So be consistent. Consistently upload and consistently try to have a time that you're going to post your videos. Try to stay with a consistent topic that you're going to be talking about. There's so many people that just have health videos, and people just look for those, and they like this one certain person. They follow that person and watch every single one of his or her video, and their channel just grows. It feels like overnight, but it's just, I don't know. I get excited for those channels because I'm like, wow, I remember when they only had this many thousand subscribers, and now they're like, they blew up. So, okay, so that's that. Let me see what else. Oh, I have a good one. So another good thing is become an affiliate. Become an affiliate there's so many different affiliate links you can get. With that, I mean, you can sign up for websites that will offer an affiliate link, like in the beginning of this video. If you notice, my Ninja coffee pot, which I love. Thanks, babe. It was our anniversary gift, if you heard me in the beginning. So the Ninja coffee pot, he ordered from Amazon, and I am an affiliate with Amazon. So here's how it works. With my husband buying the Ninja coffee pot for us, and me actually using it and loving it, and now, you know, I can attest to it. I get a link to that Ninja coffee pot, and I post it, which you saw down below. So if you're interested in it, get it from my link. So people will click on it. I'll talk about it, and I will tell them, hey, if you're interested in my coffee pot that I showed, the link is down below. If you click on it, it brings you right to the Amazon page and the item. You're literally just gonna have to hit purchase. So once you purchase that, I get a small percentage of the total that was sent out. Another way to make money, which I should have mentioned in my money video, but you know, maybe that's another video idea. See how they come to me? So yeah, so I make a small percentage. That's another way to help your YouTube channel grow, because people will find your link, or people will go looking for this Ninja coffee pot because they saw it at wherever, Amazon, they saw it at Target, they saw it at Walmart, wherever they saw it at, and they want to go find a video on it. Now it's in my title. So as people Google it or YouTube it, look for it, my video will pop up. And what does that make them do? Go look on my affiliate link, click on it, and I get a percentage off of there. So definitely become an affiliate of somebody. Again, Amazon's a really good one. It's free. Sign up and start putting those links on the bottom of your videos. And that's a good way to make some side money also. So, and it's passive, so it just keeps coming in, which is, I love passive income. Hello, who doesn't? I think that's pretty much it. I hope I helped you out. If I left anything out, or if you have any other questions, just message me down below. If you have my number, text me. If you have my Instagram, DM me. I get messages from everybody asking all kinds of questions, so just message me. Anyway, I think that's the end of my video, and I hope this video helped you out. If you have any other questions, like I said, contact me however you can. There's multiple ways to contact me. And yeah, good luck on your channel. Can't wait to see it grow. Bye, guys.